Universal Studios tour. I'm so glad you guys are here with me today. My name is Sarah. I'm going to be your tour guide. Good morning. Climb aboard. Make sure to slide all the way over to your right, guys, to make room for other people to join us. I want to make sure you all have a pair of 3D glasses. You will need those.
Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. What's got mugged over there? An old woman. Tough lady. This is my favorite hot dog.
Impressive. And what they do over here is they can basically turn this into any European city that they want. Mostly it is London, but you might also recognize it as Russia from Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., that TV show. And a lot of commercials filmed here as well. And they put this church just behind you to be specifically non-denominational, so they can turn it into any kind of church that they want. Take a look down the street, guys. You see that active filming happening? That's Brownstone Street over there, which has been used for filming quite a bit. And if you look on the other side of this mural, you're going to notice how amazing it is. If you look through the lens of your camera, it looks much more realistic through your camera lens than it does to our two eyes, because it's painted with a special technique known as trompe-l'oeil, which means to fool the eyes. So with clever shading technique, the use of light and dark, just by Tom Selleck's mustache, believe it or not. Got a bunch of these Back to the Future cars. We got some Flintstones cars, the first ever eco-friendly vehicles. And we can't talk about picture cars without talking about Fast and Furious.
Yo!
Yo! Let's get some Fast and Furious music over here. It's Jurassic Park. Now guys, you probably also noticed the gyrosphere from Jurassic World at the end of our lineup. Recognize it from this scene with Julianne Moore, Vince Vaughn, Jeff Goldblum. In the mobile laboratory is dangling off the side of a cliff. They're being attacked by a giant T-Rex. Uh-oh, speaking of attacks, we're under attack! Everyone get down! Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening! This is so unexpected, I'm so sorry, you guys. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. They're animatronic dinosaurs, guys. Movie magic. That's what we do best here at Universal. We like to create the illusion that you're being scared by a real dinosaur. Another great example of movie magic is when we have to make weather happen for film and television on cue. It doesn't always rain when we want it to sometimes. Oh no! I had no idea that would happen. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, let's give it up for Imaginary Joey. There's no one up there. That's right. The way that we really make that flash flood happen, we have thousands of gallons of recycled water at the top of that hill. All we have to do is push a button. Everything gets released and comes rushing down to create the flood. It goes under the bridge, pumped back up, and then we can recycle and reuse it over and over again and put it into the water fountains at Disneyland so they can all drink it. Now that's this carnival in Mexico you might recognize from Nacho Libre with Jack Black, or maybe Three Amigos with Chevy Chase, Steve Martin, Martin Short, also Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull. But we're going to leave old Mexico and head to the Old West, y'all. Welcome to Six Points, Texas. Some of your favorite Western stars have moseyed down these very streets. Jimmy Stewart, John Wayne, Audie Murphy, some classics like Winchester 73 and the Virginian. But I don't need to tell y'all, I can show y'all. Take a look at this classic Western made right here in 6 Points.
Big enough for the both of us, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jimmy Fallon.
Now look here. Nice folks in this tram don't want no trouble. They just want to check out 6 Points, one of the oldest sets on the Universal line.
I hear this where John.
Alright, y'all. We're going to mosey on out of here, too. And as we do, I want you to notice the doorways on either side of the tram. You might notice they're all different sizes. Some of them are very small and narrow. Others are huge. Well, our doorways are all different sizes because our actors are all different sizes. Not all movie cowboys are as tall as they appear on film. So what we have to do is we have to stand those short little cowboys in front of our teeny tiny little doors, and it makes them appear all big and tough on camera. Things on the floor of the tram, or ladies, if you're wearing your Louboutins, you might want to lift all that stuff up because we're going to be driving right through Park Lake, and I want to make sure you guys keep your belongings nice and dry. So go ahead and pick them up just for a few moments as we drive through, and make sure to look on your left-hand side. We're going to be driving right by the real Skull Island from King Kong. I'll show it to you on your screens right now. This is what it looked like when they were filming here on our property for King Kong in 2005. That's pretty awesome, right guys? How they can turn a little tiny model like that into a place that looks so scary on film. Now the SS Venture. Alright guys, thanks for being so nice and quiet as we went through our quiet zone for home and family. We are currently... Guys, you must stay in your seats at this part. This is not a safe place for us to be. We're only going to be here for just a few moments, so you got... Nope, sit down guys, sit down. You are not allowed to be standing. Thank you very much. Guys, we cannot stay here if you're going to stand up. You got to sit down. So take a look around you. This is sounds... Oh boy. Okay, don't worry guys, that must just be a tremor. They happen in California. Oh gosh. Alright folks, we are experiencing an earthquake. I need you to remain calm. Arms and legs inside the vehicle. Just try not to panic. That's the worst thing you can do right now is panic. Oh, you can panic. The ceiling is collapsed. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, don't worry. I'm going to call for help on my radio here. We're going to be fine. Oh no. Okay, we've lost contact with the system. We're just going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. Follow me, here we go. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Keep it quiet, close your eyes. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm really scared, guys. I can't sing anymore, I'm sorry. Oh no, we got a train coming out! Brace yourselves! Alright guys, I think we're through the worst of it. Just stay in your seats, we're gonna get out of here. Oh no. The waterman! And cut! That's a wrap, everybody. That's one. Great job. Give yourself a round of applause. You did great. Excellent work, everybody. I gotta tell you, those screams, they were very convincing. You guys sounded real. Let's take a look at our screens. We'll see you guys the first modeling job here in Los Angeles. Welcome to Amity Island. I love this place. Beautiful, relaxing. I know what you might have heard about Amity from the 70s. But as you can see on the right, we caught the shark. It's all good. Just to be safe, my friend George, he's a volunteer police diver. You can see him right there by the boat. He's actually patrolling the area to make sure it's good for us to go swimming. Oh goodness. Oh guys, you see that? Something's in the water with George. George, get back on the boat! Get back on the boat, George! Do it now! Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't think you can hear me. George? Are those screams of joy, George? Are you having fun? Oh no. Oh boy. Okay, don't worry guys. I'm sure George is fine. Just a flesh wound. We're gonna be okay. We're just gonna pull up here where it's nice and safe for us by these gasoline cans. That'll be good. Guys, stay in your seats, please. This is not a safe area for us to be in. We're gonna have to call and figure out where to go, okay? So just stay right... Oh no. Look, something's taking the bait, guys. Oh my goodness, that escalated quickly. Alright guys, here we go. We're getting out of here. Oh my goodness, how about that, you guys? That's not something you see every day, right? Except for Dean and I. It's Wisteria Lane, welcome!
If there is one thing everyone in suburbia can appreciate, it's a good neighbor.
much more of a detective story of what's going on behind the scenes. Now, this wasn't always Wisteria Lane. Before it was Wisteria Lane, it was called Colonial Street, and a lot. Now I know what you're thinking. This is the perfect backdrop for my Christmas card for this year. I get it. So we're going to stop the tram. We're going to let you guys stand up real quick and take some photos. Please wait till we come to a complete stop, and then you'll have a few moments for some photos. Ready, set, go.
Airplane crash is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Stephen had.
Yeah, to sit down and talk about the war of the world. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see. You're doing good. You're doing good.
All right, guys, take your seats if you could. Okay, sorry guys, I didn't really know this was going to be going on today, but we have to keep you safe. That is the #1 priority here at the studio tour. So we're just going to pull into this building for just a few moments until it's safe for us to leave. Whoa, you guys hear that? Sounds like they're having a heck of a party in there. Let's find out what's going on. What do you think?
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot. We're having a few friends over. It's a little messy, but it's all good. The more the merrier. Especially you right there in that third row, like I was saying. So look, see over there? That's Hobbs' urban assault vehicle. Best truck the U.S. government can buy. But that work of art back over there was made by my man Tej. Think of it as like a Mona Lisa on wheels.
So did you break it down to them?
What's that?
You had one job to do, Roman, one. All right, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real
Everybody out! The FBI! We're just kicking off!
We just got here! Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. What a shame.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other girl?
Roman Pierce, FBI, on the ground.
Bill?
On the ground, do it now.
You know how long I took to iron that shirt, man? I'm not.
On the ground, right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of
See what I'm talking
Call you
about?
back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sean traced us. I can't hold him. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
All right, team, let's go.
It's about to get real interesting.
Okay, guys, put on your 3D protective glasses.